Dear students, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about isometric view of a truncated cone. A cone of base diameter 50 mm and height 70 mm stands on HP with its base. It is cut by a plane inclined at 30 degree to HP and cutting the axis of the cone at a height of 40 mm from the base. Draw the isometric view of the remaining part of the cone. Okay. So first draw the top and front view of the cone. By using 2H pencil, draw the XY axis. Base diameter 50 mm. So 50 mm, 25 radius, draw the top view first. Draw the top view. Draw the generators. Give the name to the generators. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Vertex O. So OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, OG and OH are the generators. Now project the front view from the top view. Our axis height 70 mm. Okay. So extend the axis up to 70 mm. Extend up to 70 mm height. Up to 70 mm height, extend the axis line. Now project the remaining generators. OB and OH generator, OA generator, OD, OF generator, OE generator. Now project the front view. Draw the front view. Okay. Now the front view over. O dash, A dash, B dash of H dash, C dash of G dash, D dash of F dash, E dash. Okay, now the cone of base diameter 50 mm and axis height 70 mm, front and top view over. Our axis height 70 mm. Now it is cut by a plane inclined at 30 degree to HP, and the cutting plane meets the axis of the cone at a height of 40 mm from the base. So from the base 40 mm distance, 40 mm distance, draw a horizontal line using 2H pencil and fix the protractor here. Fix the protractor here. Take 30 degree inclination. So draw an inclined line, 30 degree inclined line. Draw a 30 degree incline. The inclination of the line with the horizontal plane 30. So the remaining portion removed, the bottom base only, bottom portion only or required portion. So dot the bottom portion. Bottom portion only or required portion. Okay. Now mark the cutting points in the front view. 1 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash of 6 dash, 3 dash of 7 dash, 8 dash. So point 1 on slant generator OA. Point 1 on generator OA. So draw a vertical line from the 1 dash to top view OA. Top view OA. The intersecting point as 1. Point 1. Similarly, draw the vertical line from point 2 dash of 8 dash. The intersecting point as 2 on OB and 8 on OH. Two on OB and 8 on OH. Now, how to mark the point 3 dash of 7 dash? 3 dash of 7 dash coincide with the OG and OC generator. So, from the 3 dash of 7 dash, draw a horizontal line to the left extreme generator. Left extreme generator. So, from this cutting point on the left extreme generator OE, on O dash A dash, draw a vertical line to this generator OA. The intersecting point on OA, from OA, O center, the intersecting point as radius. Draw the arc both the side. Draw the arc both the side. Draw the arc both the side. The intersecting point O center, this cutting point as radius. Draw the arc both the side by using compass. The intersecting point as 7 and 3. 7 and 3. Next, draw a vertical line from the 4 dash of 6 dash to the top view. Point 4 on generator OD. Point 6 on generator OF. Now draw a vertical line from the 5 dash to generator OE, because point 5 dash on generator O dash E dash. The intersecting point as 5. Now join all the cutting points by a smooth curve. By a smooth curve. Join all the cutting points by a smooth curve. Cutting points by a smooth curve. Now draw the sectional view. So this is our required view, top view. Dot line. Okay. Now go to the isometric view of the truncated cone. How to draw the isometric view? Draw the isometric axis first. Draw the two isometric axes. Draw the two isometric axes. Draw a horizontal line and then draw the two isometric axes at inclination 30 degree both side, 30 degree both side. Degree both side. Okay. Now draw a square enclose the top base. Sorry, bottom base. Draw a square enclose the bottom base by using 2H pencil. Draw a square enclose the bottom base by using 2H pencil. Draw a square enclose the bottom base by using 2H pencil. Okay. Give the name to the corners 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give the name to the corners 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now draw the square in the isometric axis. In the intersecting point of two isometric axes, point 1. Now 1 to 2 radius. This is a square. Those are all the sides are equal. So 1 to 2 radius equal to other sides. So 1 to 2 radius, draw the arc first. 1 to 2 radius. By using compass, draw the arc. 1 to 2 radius, draw the arc. And 1 to 4 radius, same distance as radius. So draw the arc in the. Similarly, 4 to 3 distance. 4 to 3 distance as radius, draw the arc. The intersecting point is point 4. Sorry, 1, 4, 2, 3. Intersecting point is point 3. Now join all the points to get the base square, enclosing square. Now how to draw the bottom base? By using midpoint method. We know the midpoint method. How to draw? By using midpoint method. Mark the midpoint of all the sides. Mark the midpoint of all the sides. By using measurement, find the midpoint of all the sides. Now join the midpoint to the opposite corners. By using 2H pencil, draw a line. Midpoint. Join the midpoint with the opposite corner. Okay. Similarly, this midpoint and this midpoint. Okay, this intersecting point is represented as M and N. This intersecting point is represented as M and N. Now, point 1 center, opposite midpoint as radius. Point 1 center, opposite midpoint as radius, draw the arc. Point 1 center, opposite midpoint radius, draw the arc. Similarly, point 3 center, by using compass, draw this arc, not freehand. Dear student, not freehand. By using compass, draw the arc. 1 center, opposite midpoint radius, draw the arc. 3 center, opposite midpoint radius, draw the arc. Okay. Now M center, the nearest midpoint as radius, draw the arc by using compass, not freehand. By using compass, draw the arc. Similarly, N center, nearest midpoint as radius, draw the arc by using compass. Now the bottom base over. Bottom base over. How to mark the top base? How to draw the truncated base? How to draw the truncated top base? Now, from each cutting point, draw a horizontal line to the left extreme end, 1, 4. From each cutting point, draw a horizontal line using 2H pencil. 4, 8, 6, 7. From each cutting point, draw the horizontal line to the left end, horizontal line. Now mark all the cutting points on side 1, 4 in isometric view. Mark all the cutting points. By using compass, mark all the cutting points. 1, 2, and then 3. Take the distance as radius, draw the arc. And then okay, from each cutting point draw horizontal line. The horizontal lines are parallel to 1 to 2. Side 1, 2. From these all the cutting points draw horizontal line parallel to 1, 2. So from these cutting point draw horizontal line parallel to this side. Parallel to this side. This line parallel to this side. Okay. Parallel to that side. It's not parallel. Parallel to that side. Parallel to that side. 1 to 2. Now mark all the cutting points. Mark all cutting points. By using compass, take the cutting point to the cutting point distance. Left intersecting point to the cutting point distance as radius, draw the arc. The first point 3, or the first point 3. Mark the point 3. And then 2, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 8, 6, and then 7. 8. What to mark the point 8? 8, and then 6, and then 7. Okay, these are the cutting points. Give the name to the cutting points. First one 3, this one 1 this side. Okay, 1 this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mark all the cutting points. Now, from each cutting point, draw a vertical line by using 2H pencil. From each cutting point, draw a vertical line using 2H pencil. Draw a vertical line. From each cutting point, draw a vertical line using 2H pencil. From each cutting point, draw a vertical line using 2H pencil. Now, from XY axis to the corresponding cutting point distance as radius, XY axis to 1 dash distance as radius, draw the arc at the line from 1. XY axis to 1 dash distance as radius, draw the arc at the line from 1. Okay, and XY axis to 2 dash of 8 dash distance as radius, draw the arc at the line from 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. There is 8. Okay. And 8. And then XY axis to 3 dash of 7 dash distance as radius. Draw the orbital line from 3 and 7. Where is 3? 3 and 7. Okay. So using compass, draw it. 3 and 7. Okay. And then next, XY axis to 4 dash of 6 dash distance as radius. XY axis to 4 dash of 6 dash distance as radius by using compass line from 4 and 6. 4 and 6. And then XY axis to 5 dash distance as radius. Draw the arc of the line from 5. 5. Okay. Now join all the points by a smooth curve. Join all the points by a smooth curve. Join all the points by a smooth curve. Now join the left extreme and right extreme generator. Left extreme and right extreme generator. Left extreme and right extreme generator. Okay. Now the truncated isometric view of truncated cone. Isometric view of the truncated cone completed. Isometric view of the truncated cone completed. Draw the object by using H pencil. Okay. Avoid the double lines. Avoid the double line. Draw the required object by using H pencil. Okay, this is our isometric view of the truncated cone. Dear students, if any doubt, ask me through the comment box and subscribe our channel and support our channel. Thank you.